Welcome to the LA Story Podcast with Stevie Wilson.
Hey people, this is Stevie again, and I'm here in this car, and you don't hear an engine. This is the cool part. You don't hear an engine. We're backing out of the showroom. Hi, Brandon.
Hello, Stevie. Enjoy the ride.
This is like, see, we're backing out. How fun is this? And see, there's the electric, and it's really comfortable. And you, ladies, you have plenty of room here to stretch out so you don't snag your stilettos. And John's taking us for a ride. Woo! And we're here. This is Newport Boulevard in Newport Beach, and as you can see, there's lots of traffic, and it's sunny, and it doesn't get any better than this in Newport. It's got a manual transmission, so you've got to be able to handle a stick. Come on, ladies, you know you can do this. I know you can do this. If I can, you can. How fast are we going now, John?
60.
Oh, love it! Okay, see how smooth this is, people? The only bumps you're getting are from the road. It's not from the car.
Now here's something, Stevie. For you women who don't like to shift gears, you can just leave the car in second gear and drive around town. You can drive up to 60 miles an hour. Never have to touch the clutch, never have to shift. Nothing.
You're kidding.
Yeah, we'll just take
Oh
off
my
right
God! Whoa, seriously. You don't even have to sit there and shift. What an awesome thing. How fast are we going?
50.
50. But it did a really nice pickup.
And we have 3 models of horsepower. This is the real low one so that we can get a reasonably good range at 100 miles. But we have other models that will climb a wall if they get traction. And this seems to be plenty fast. It'll beat traffic coming up, and it'll get up on the freeway and do 80 miles an hour or 100 miles an hour in just a few seconds. Plenty fast.
Well, that's what I like about it, because it really does have great pickup.
Yeah.
And you still have that real sports car feel.
Exactly.
I mean, it's like we're low to the ground. Which in a second, people, you're probably going to see my knees. But see how, you can see how low to the ground we really are. So you actually have a real speedster kind of feel. And how's the suspension on this?
It's great. The handling is phenomenal. Much, much better than the original. And there's not really much to go wrong. There's very, very little maintenance. In fact, there's no maintenance except for brakes and shocks and tires. But
there's no oil change.
No, there's no water, no oil, no gas, no cooling system, no heating, nothing. No exhaust, no fumes.
No smog certificates?
No smog.
Oh my gosh. What a great car.
It's a lot of fun.
Almost this is so much better than a Disney ride, I can't tell you. It's always what I wanted to do when I go to Disneyland, is Get on the Utopia.
Oh, yeah,
flat
right,
out.
the Utopia, yeah, exactly.
And flat out.
Yeah.
And this is the adult version of that.
Yes, it is.
And it's only $50,000.
Plus, you get about $5,000 back from the federal government, so it really nets about $45,000. In Southern California, you get 20% discount on your entire household electric bill. So a lot of incentives. If you go on our website, there's a whole list of incentives.
What is the website URL?
It's www.sc for South Coast and electricars.com. So scelectricars.com.
Perfect. And people, you can, if you're here in Southern California, even if you're in Northern California, come on. You know, you can come down to LA. You can take a flight into John Wayne Airport in Santa Ana, which is Orange County, and get a car and come over here and check out this car, because this is way cool. And the fact is that there's so many stock colors that you can get. The leather is incredible. See this? That's camel leather. You can't really tell because it's really bright. But you can pretty much set it up the way you want. Woo!
The handling is superb.
Handling's great. It's a much smoother ride than one would think, particularly with this kind of a car. All the older vintage sports cars really were not so great.
No, I mean, here's a road that's reasonably smooth, but it glides along real nicely.
It does. It's beautiful. See? Electric. Yes. Well, now we're going to drive back into the parking lot and into the showroom. See? It's that easy. Wow. This is impressive. Okay, people. This is Stevie for the LA Story saying see you soon.
Thanks for joining Stevie Wilson on LA Story. Feel free to check out other podcasts and videos. Bookmark it now. www.la-story.com.